I'm Will Fuchs-Jones. I am a lawn manager here for Greensleeves Lawn Care here in Bath. I do a mix of mechanical work, which we're going to look at today. So first job of the day, we're going to start with the aerator. So what we've done to begin with is we've aerated it. What that's done is we pulled out these cores of soil, and they don't look like much. They look a bit unappetizing, to be honest, but what that means is we've essentially created a lot of space within the soil for the root systems to sort of explore new territory. They'll have a bit more room to breathe. You can see how compacted all the root systems actually end up getting within each clump. So this will definitely help. So the next one, I guess, is scarifying. The purpose of this is to dig lightly into the thatch layer and pull out just sort of the detritus that builds up using our blades from this. Admittedly, it's a nice problem to have, but there isn't a ton of thatch in here. So we've got up as much as we can really without sort of going any deeper and making the place look like a plowed field. But the next step, it's always the fun part, getting the rake out, scooping all this up and taking away the rubbish. Right, one down. So, job two, as you can obviously tell, it's a different shape. And it's also a different texture and different thickness, different everything. And the point is, we need to be adaptable. The problem with the last one is there really wasn't much thatch. The problem with this one is that there's possibly too much thatch. So on the other one, you could really see that we brought a lot of cores out and we couldn't get much moss out. But on this one, the sort of opposite problem is what we have. We are able to get a decent amount of cores out, it's just less obvious. But on this one, it'll definitely be a real kind of shift of before and after. The sheer amount of moss that's in here is going to look pretty good, I think.